Hi guys, it's Jamie with Jamie's Realistic Life. Welcome or welcome back. My name is Jamie and this is my realistic life. So if y'all have been following me through the years, you'll know that we have been having problems getting caught up on our bills. We're both on Social Security. I do work a few hours a week at the local restaurant to try to make ends meet. Of course, you know, if you all are on disability, you can try to work a few hours and you're okay. So what I'm going to show you today is what I have been doing for the month of July to try to get caught up on some of the bills. So this is the Willow Creek Farm series, and I had introduced you all to Rudy last week. This Rudy is up on Etsy, and I reopened my Etsy shop and started adding more challenges. This series means a lot to me because most of these animals that are going to be introduced are part of my family. Rudy is my Siamese cat that someone had dropped off in our driveway, him and his sister Gracie. And I just wanted to make this challenge for him, but for you guys too, because they're so cute and they're so fun, and there's more to come. So with Rudy, what have I been doing is the extra money that we have been getting through Etsy sales and me working a part-time job is Rudy is going to have helped me make a payment on my electric bill. Of course, if you all followed me in the winter time, you'd understand that my electric bill was running anywhere between $800 and $900 a month, and that was just crazy. So I finished the raindrop challenge. This one right here has got 100 in it. This one is completed. It's got 38. The Rudy's and Coffee Cats finished up at $72. The loose change was just a penny that I found that I put in another little jar, because we collect pennies around here since they stopped making them. The yarn ball challenge is finished, and it finished with 42. And what I did is that I started here and I rolled the dice. So if I rolled a 3, I saved $3 until I got to the very end of the challenge. I'm still working on Rudy's Catch a Dream. And then I'm working on Christmas. Christmas is not being touched. So I am going to show you guys for Rudy's paw prints. That one ain't it. That one's not it. Paw prints right here. There's 20, 40. Well, let me do it this way. Let me do it this way, so we can get it counted right. 20, 40, 60, 80, 90, 95, 100. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take the 5s out. The 5s are going to go into another challenge, and that will be another video. So I'm just going to put this in here. And then we have got Rainy Day. Rainy Day finished up with 38. We have 10, 20, 30, 35, 36, 37, 38. This 5 is going over here. And I'm going to put that right there. The next one, Coffee and Cats. Coffee and Cats. Coffee and Cats. 20, 40, 50, 55, 60, 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69, 70, 71, 72. So these 5s are coming over here. What did I do with the rest of them? Here's that one. Yeah, we took that one out. That one. And then Rudy's Catch a Dream. Oh, let's do the finished one first. And then this one has 10, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 41, 42. So the 5s are coming out. And I am putting this back for money to go to the bank to pay on the electric bill. Now, this one right here is 78, so it's 20, 40, 50, 60, 65, 70, 71, 72, 73, 74, 75, 76, 77, 78. 78. The 5s are coming over here. That will go back in here. And I think that's all for that one. Let me double check. Yeah, Rainy Day, Coffees and Cats, Paw Prints, Yarn Challenge, and that one. So all the money that's left in these envelopes will get deposited into the bank and make a payment on my electric bill. So the next little thing that I wanted to show you and explain to you guys, it's coffee time. With Rudy, he comes in a set. If you buy Rudy, you get the Meet the Willow Creek Family. It's a free, when you purchase it, send it to you for free. You don't have to print it out. You can just read it. It explains how I came up with the ideal, each one of the family, each one of the animals, what their purpose is. And speaking of a purpose, we are going to introduce you to Penny's Household Sinking Fund. Penny has a whole line of sinking funds that are cute, going to be fun to work with, and she's just beautiful. So I'm going to introduce you to Penny's Household. She is up on Etsy, and you have a cover page. Then you have Fill the Laundry Basket, a Clean Sweep, Essential Household Basket with all your cleaning supplies, paper towels, toilet paper. You have the Cozy Home, which you could use for whatever you wanted. This could be like a treat yourself dinner at McDonald's, probably, because it's small. And then you have the Penny's Household Envelope. You get one, you can print it off as many times as you want, and then over here put on the category what you want to save for. So this is Penny, and I am so excited to introduce you guys to all of her really cute savings challenges. So guys, with that said, thank you for watching. I really appreciate you all so much. And remember to always wear a smile, because your smile can make somebody's day. Bye, guys. Oh, yeah. I forgot to do this. I pulled all the money out of the envelopes, and we are going to separate it and see how much we actually did save. I'm sorry about that. I don't know where my head was, but I thought, you know what? We need to show how much we saved for the month of July to add to our payment towards the electric bill. So, let's see what we got. Of course, you know I got the 5s for something else, but we will count that too. Let me grab it right quick. Okay, here's 5s. So we have 20, 40, 60, 80, 1, 20, 40, 60, 10, 20, 30, 40. Wait a minute. Let's do it this way. 20, 40, 60, 81, 20, 40, 60, 70, 80, 92, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 55, 60, 65, 70, 75, 80, 85, 90, 95, 3, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. $330 is what we saved in July. That is really great. So this will be going to the bills too. Bye, guys.